And we're heading to the car show. It's up on Tunnelton and High Street. Up that way. Here's our group. We're heading up to the food truck, coming up to the car show. We'll stop back later and look at the cars. Here's a food truck. I don't know which one it is. Some cars parked. Beautiful cars. This is Danny's food truck. It's a beautiful white pickup. We have axe throwing. That's pretty cool. Here we're at the intersection by the high school. There's cars in all directions. And music playing. See, back here we have a beer garden that will open later. A playhouse. We have ice or New Orleans style snowballs, shaved ice. Here are hubcapped clocks for sale. Gifts for man caves. There's some picnic tables set up. Arts and crafts. Some jewelry. Homemade soap. Here we have a food truck. This is the Kebaba This and Kebaba That menu. Truck owners, Kayla and Michael, for Kebaba This, Kebaba That. It's a popular place. Everybody's ordering. We're in the bounce house. You in the bounce years ago, this used to be like on Dad's birthday, called, and it was, what did they call it back then? West Virginia Day, and maybe they called it the street fair. So I think this is maybe the second annual Summerfest. They have picnic tables downtown where you can get your food, come sit and eat. We're looking for the lemonade stand, and we're going to eat, and then we're coming back to check everything out. Street, we have the hot dog cart. We're up at the historic bank. I'm not sure, this is a patriotic display. We've come for lemonade at the lemonade stand. Here's a little smart car in front of the inn. We're back at the car show. A lot of cars to look at. It's a great turnout. A Newport. The hood's open so you can take a peek under the hood. There's a nice black one. I like that one. It's a GMC. Let's look under its hood. Dodge. It says Mike on the front. Bright red. Quarters garage. It's a hot rod, street rod. Now that's a neat one. U.S. Navy.
And the trophies. If you're interested in a trophy, come on up. You can hear your name.
It's a bright pink, pinkish color. Every row of them are going down Tunnelton Street, Price Street. Here's my kind of automobile. Let's check this one out. It says, here, kitty kitty. It has some riders in it. That's a rat rod. And then we're Mr. Nice. pretty neat. It's Haley's bug. What year is it? Cool. 1968 bug. Some yellow cars. Really nice black pickup. Looks like it has some fresh paint too. Yellow, bright. Belvedere. A rider, a little this is twice as nice as a little green thing on the hood. And we have the street blocked off at Brown Avenue and Price Street. Here we have axe throwing. down through the Venders. They have face painting, giggles and grins, face art. Frank Flamin' Glass. They have different glass. Designs by D. Food truck still taking the orders. Pockets of Time is open. Tables with lots of Tupperware. All kind of Tupperware. We have some Tupperware. Morgantown Martial Arts.
We'll play one here.
Me and my bees with lots of honey. Jewelry. Informational tables. Live bands performed on the stairs beside the courthouse throughout the event. Summerfest 2024 is on June 15th. It started at 10 a.m. In front of the old Swab building, you have the hot dog man. He's from Terre Alta. He serves up some really good food, too. Summerfest information table. I see Kathy and Jim. There's a wide variety of vendors. Many to choose from. Earlier, there was a DJ with some music, and behind him are some live music. Three Guys Fitness. Lots of vendors where you could shop downtown. This tent is the Preston County Inn. Looks like they have some really good food. Sandwiches, French fries. The fire truck is backing out the road. Lots of friendly faces. I just love this town. At the Civic Center from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., they had a flea market and food truck. This morning from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., they had a farmer's market at the McGrew House, but I missed it. And from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., they had Inflatables and a kids zone at the Preston County Inn on Main Street, across from the courthouse. This whole event was fantastic. Very appreciative of the people that put it all together. The car show was a big hit also. It's also special when everybody gets to see people they haven't seen in a while, run into family and friends, and get to visit. The beer garden is at. There's the beer garden. You pay $10, you get a wristband and 2 punches. I think's what they said. The food choices were amazing. It was so great to bring everybody together. This event brought a lot of people in. It's what we used to do in high school. We got to sit along the wall or different walls. Our friend Bill was showing Paul and I his new car. It's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. It's a great weekend to have a car show. Father's Day is tomorrow. The weather was perfect today. A big thanks for everybody that brought their cars out. A lot of people appreciated it. Going to walk to the Civic Center. At the Civic Center, we have a few vendors down here. I see we have Brian Barbecue. Here it says Pick and Press Apparel. Here is the Smokin' Country's Barbecue Pit. And over here we have some lemonade. Here's the menu. Hello, coming to get a lemonade.
What kind would you like?
Let's see, you have a lot of choices. I have a specialty of orange dreamsicle.
Strawberry?
And I want blue raspberry.
Strawberry and a blue raspberry.
Yes.
$12. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, that's why I figured that's probably something you could use. Yeah.
Very much. Back in the bug again, making a last run down through Main Street and done. High Street, half closed. Cars are leaving. Coming up to Main Street. At the end with the inflatables. Courthouse. Some vendors are left. Some have gone. And there is the ending of the street fair. Thanks for watching. We've now recorded Summerfest 2024. Bye-bye. Until the next video.